Discover the hidden gem of Arinsal: nature, adventure, and culture. Arinsal boasts breathtaking landscapes, from majestic mountains to lush valleys, perfect for nature lovers. Experience thrilling outdoor adventures like skiing in winter and hiking during the vibrant summer months. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage, with traditional festivals celebrating local customs and history. Savor delicious Andorran cuisine, featuring local dishes like trinxat and hearty mountain stews. Don't miss the iconic Church of Sant Andreu, a remarkable landmark showcasing Arinsal's architectural beauty. Join us and explore the wonders of Arinsal today.